Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create a free blog using Blogger in 2025, step by step. Whether you want to start a personal blog, write about your hobbies, or earn money through ads, Blogger is a great way to begin, and it's completely free. Let's get started. First of all, go to www.blogger.com, then click enter. Click the sign in button and log in using your Google account like that. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one first. Enter your passkey. Wait a few minutes for loading. Once logged in, click new blog, create new blog. Then you will be asked to name your blog. This is the blog's title. Visitors will see, like, then click next. Now pick a blog address like my blog name.blogpost.com. Try different names until you find one that's available. Then select a theme. Don't worry, you can change it later. Click create blog. And boom, your blog is now live. Click finish. Now let's create your first post. In the dashboard, you will see a sample editor where you can add a title, and start writing your content. Use the toolbar to add heading, font size, text bold, text italic, color text, images, permalink from here, then location, then reader comments, allow, don't allow. Once you're done, click publish from here. In the top right corner, your post is now live for the world to see. Time to make your blog look amazing. Click theme on the left menu. Blogger gives you lots of free templates. Choose one that fits your style. Click on that, then click customize to change the fonts, colors, background, image, layout. You can also go to layout to edit section like the header, sidebar, footer. Click save from here and check out your live blog to see the results. Now let's add some important pages. Go back to your Blogger dashboard, then click pages, then new pages. Common pages include about me, contact, privacy. Once you create your pages, go to layout, then pages from here. Then pages gadget and click edit button like pencil icon. You can rearrange the order too. Next, let's configure your settings. Click settings from the left sidebar. Here you can add description, title, change the comment settings, privacy, add a custom domain if you want your own .com later, enable HTTPS for secure connection, and set up Google Analytics or AdSense for tracking and monetization. Take a few minutes to go through these settings. Most of them are optional but good to explore. Before publishing more posts, always preview your blog. Click the eye icon or preview button. Its look on desktop and mobile tablet, vertical, horizontal. Make sure your text is readable. Images are optimized. And remember, quality posts, useful titles, and consistent posting help grow your audience. And that's it. You now know how to create and manage your very own blog using Blogger in 2025. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and drop your blog link in the comments so we can check it out. See you in the next video.